I love traditions and I really love Thanksgiving, but the same food made the same way can be a bit, the same. So I'm gonna show you what Chosen Foods avocado oil-based mayos can do to elevate your Thanksgiving. And we'll start naturally with the turkey breast, because Chosen's Harissa Mayo brushed on the turkey will not just add color, but the Mediterranean spices will turn your bland turkey from dull into delicious. Is that stupid? Okay, moving on. The mashed potatoes. And they go from good to an instant classic with just the roasted garlic mayo, and just wait till you taste them. Then there's the very important stuffing that gets a massive flavor upgrade with the organic mayo. And finally, the unsung real star of the show, the gravy. And this version becomes gloriously rich with, you guessed it, some of their classic mayo. So there you have it. Thanksgiving, good. Thanksgiving with Chosen Mayos, tremendous.